So, nag-text sa akin si Ma'am Nene. Alam niyo naman, mahirap humindi kay Ma'am Nene, di ba? Hindi ho ba? But we're here to, in solidarity with Synergia and its very progressive initiatives. Kami, even before I was at DepEd, of course, yung mga taga-DepEd, gusto rin batiin. Si RD Alan is here, our SDS from Ilocos, among others. Sino mga taga-DepEd? Nandito. Ayan, hello po. So, parang education summit pala to. But anyway, I'm proud to be here representing DepEd just in solidarity with all of our initiatives. And siguro na ibalita nyo na rin po sa ating mga ginagalang na mayors, board members, councilors, na governors, na meron tayong local school building program. No? So, of course, we're still waiting for the lists from our governors, from our city mayors, and our congressmen para hindi magkahalo-halo. But maasa naman tayo na masasama kayo dun sa mga listahan nila. Pero kung hindi, pwede naman lumapit sa amin kung sakaling sometimes politics gets in the way of development. Sometimes, not always. Politics can also be a empowerer and a liberating, a progressive force. Hindi ho ba? So yun lang po. I didn't expect really to give a speech. I'm just here to share some of the initiatives of DepEd. Tayo, I think on general, I think we're on the right track. Pero sinusundan ho natin yung payo ng EDCOM. Ma'am Nene and I were there together. I was a commissioner, one of the original commissioners of the EDCOM before before DepEd. I was offered the position of DepEd Secretary. Pero yung recommendation, kung hindi nyo pa nababasa sa mga kasama sa DepEd and our friends in Synergia, yung third-year report nila. It's the final report of DepEd. It comes along with a workforce recommendation. Pero 10-year plan ho yun, 2026 to 2035. We need to invest. We need to invest in early child care and development. So, I'm sure, alam na alam nyo yan dahil yan din po ang ginagawa. Hindi lang dahil sa EDCOM, pero matagal nang ginagawa ng Synergia at mga supporters and partners. So for that, we're very grateful and Synergia continues to be a very valuable partner of the Department of Education. So sa mga taga-DepEd, thank you for taking time. I know, hindi natatapos at habang umaalis mula tayo sa opisina, pagbalik natin, may papeles na nag-aantay ho sa atin, hindi ho ba? But nonetheless, maraming matututunan dito. Please, you make valuable connections and you will learn valuable ideas dito po sa ideas which have been tested in the field. Hindi ho lang teorya po yan. So, again, maraming salamat. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. More power, mabuhay po ang Synergia.